Hello, beautiful soul. You already know what it says. You're going to check it anyway. You open it, same number. You close it. 20 minutes later, you open it again, because looking feels like doing something. And right now, doing something is the only thing keeping the fear at bay. There was a season of my life when everything felt unstable. Not just the money, everything. And I would sit at my kitchen table, sometimes at 2 a.m., running the same numbers. What's in the account? What's coming out? What's due Friday? My chest would be tight the whole time, shoulders up around my ears, and I told myself I was being responsible. I told myself I was on top of it. But here's what I know now. I wasn't managing my money. I was trying to manage my fear. And the numbers were just something I could hold on to. It is not a thinking problem. It is a safety problem. When your life feels out of control, your brain goes looking for something it can control. And it finds a thought, and it pulls on that thought, turns it over, runs the scenario again, checks the numbers one more time. Not because it is helping, because it feels like helping. Your brain is not broken. It is scared, and it learned somewhere along the way that if you just think hard enough, you can stay safe. Maybe when you had to be 3 steps ahead just to survive. Maybe when predicting what came next was the only protection you had. That pattern made sense once. The problem is, it never got the memo that things changed. So it just kept running the loop. Even when the crisis passed, even when you were safe, even at 2 a.m., when the numbers were not going to change, no matter how many times you added them up. Here's the shift I want you to sit with. The next time you catch yourself in the loop, don't ask yourself what you are thinking about. Ask yourself what you are afraid of, because the thought is never really the point. The fear underneath it, that is where it starts. When I stopped asking what are the numbers and started asking what am I actually scared of right now, everything shifted, because I could finally talk to the real thing. And fear, when you name it, when you look straight at it and say, I see you, it gets quieter. Not gone, just quieter. Your brain is not broken, it is scared. And scared things, when they finally feel heard, they start to let go. If this felt familiar, you are not alone in this. So many of us learned to overthink our way through hard seasons. It was survival. It worked then. But you don't have to live there anymore if you are ready to stop white-knuckling it and actually get underneath what's driving the loop. My Thought Loop Reset Journal is linked below. It is not about thinking less. It is about finally understanding what your brain has been trying to tell you. You deserve to feel calm inside your own mind. You were not overthinking because something is wrong with you. You were overthinking because something hurt. And your brain did the best it could with what it had. But you get to change that now. Not by thinking less, by understanding more. It is time to change the damn record already. If this felt like it was written for you, it probably was. Like this video so it reaches the next woman who needs it. Follow if you're ready to grow. Gently and honestly. Share this with your younger self. She's still listening. You're not alone anymore. Let's grow together. Love and peace.